Hey guys, today we're going to do some cleanup. It's getting mid-September, everything's overgrown. So we're going to trim all this back. There's actually a planter under there that you can't even see. There's two Jack Daniel pots you can't even see there, but we're going to straighten all that out. We're going to trim these guys up, trim these guys up. We're going to replant this pot, replant, freshen up this pot. And then all of our zinnias have got to be pulled out. The hummingbirds are still here and going nuts. They've got about a week left probably before they're gone. But by the end of the day, we're hoping to have all these beds cleaned up and looking like something.
So that they...
Okay, we're going to be cutting these all back.
A lot of it's because it's overshadowing these and they're not getting any.
And half our cactus are covered up.
I'm going to take the potato vine and see if I can't propagate it.
So we've been told.
All this is trial and error.
That's the reason it's called the garden noob, not the garden experts. It should be the noobs because we're noobs, not noob. Anyway, this is going to take a while, so we're probably going to just back the camera up and show how we snip all this off, make it look like something again. Okay, now we're going to freshen up a couple of our pots out here because they have done good all year until about the last month, and now they're suffering. So we're going to freshen these up with some new flowers. I guess the wife will be telling us what we're putting in there here in a moment. Some of you might be wondering what all the noise is around us, the little beeps and hums and stuff. It's these hummingbirds, and there are 30 of them probably right now or so, just buzzing around us. Now we're gonna get started on the big mess. I wanted to wait a couple of weeks to do these zinnias, but they look too horrible. So we're gonna clean this bed out thoroughly. Okay, now we're going to work on bed number 2, or actually bed number 3, isn't it? The zinnias are all done, and there's other plants in here you can't even see. So hopefully when we're done with this, it'll look a lot better. Okay, now we're going to knock out this last bed. hopefully these will spread on out. We'll give you updates later on. It's kind of bare. We're going to try to add a little bit of fall color to it. At least the beds are mostly cleaned out now. Add a little mulch, add a little color. Anyway, and we will send some updates later on.